Good morning students, this is Joy Varghese from Uncovering Chemistry. Today in video 9 of our chapter what we say redox reaction, we are going to discuss about stock notation. What about stock notation? It was given by a German chemist Alfred Stock. Okay, from that the name came. Now what is stock notation, that I'll explain, but till now what we have studied according to the rules for giving or assigning oxidation number, it is clear that it is from the rules of writing or assigning, writing or assigning, to assign, assigning oxidation number, clear? It is clear that now we have seen this, means from the rules of writing oxidation number, it is clear that metallic elements have positive can also be written like positive oxidation number, okay, and non-metallic elements have positive and not or, we will write, or negative oxidation number. Okay, this you can write it as a note. Okay, as a note you can write the words, right? Now, when we talk about stock notation, what we say, stock notation is actually the oxidation number of a metal. Okay, now what type of, if two metals are there in one compound, then you have to choose the metal whose oxidation number are more than one. That I will give one example so it will be clear. But actually stock notation is simple words, what we say are giving or assigning oxidation number to the metal element or metal atom. Understood? That is stock notation. Now who gave this what you call the idea or the concept of stock notation? It was Alfred Stock. He was a German chemist. Okay, so who gave the word stock notation? Stock notation. Clear? Now, stock notation, when we say, it was what we call it as given by German chemist. Given by German chemist Alfred Stock. He was the one who gave this name. Okay. Now what is stock notation? It is assigning oxidation number to the metal in Roman numeral. What is the word? Roman numeral. Okay, Roman numeral, you know, we were writing Roman 1, 2, 3, 4. These all are Roman numeral. So, assigning oxidation number to metal in Roman numeral for a given compound. Clear? Now, for this we will see one example. What we say now. In that example, suppose if in your textbook only, or in exercise it is given, but for that I will just rub this part. Just a minute. Okay. This all you have to write down in your fair book. So don't forget to write. So in your textbook, problem 8.3 is given. If not given, you can see this is an example for stock notations. Examples for stock notation. Clear? Now, in that first example, what it is given in your textbook is HAUCl. HAUCl4. Okay? The name of this compound is chloroauric acid. Chloroauric. Auric word is for this gold. Acid. Here. Now, in this case, when you say which is the metal, so gold is the metal, and for that here, first of all, we have to find what? Oxidation number. The oxidation number, if you have to find for this AuCl4, here -1, here +1, and here X I will take. Understood? So, here +1 for hydrogen I have written, plus gold X plus 4 into -1 is equal to 0. This is for gold and this is for chlorine. Okay, so what it will be? 1 plus X minus 4 is equal to 0. X minus 3 is equal to 0. So X is equal to plus 3. Understood? So therefore Au is having plus 3 oxidation state in this compound. Okay, Au is having what? Plus 3 oxidation state. Now suppose if I want to write the name, so after the name of the metal, you can write down this plus 3 in Roman numeral. Means what? We can, for stock notation, it can be written as, how it can be written? This as chloroauric. After chloroauric, I will write like this 3 in Roman numeral acid. Understood? So after the metal only this numeral is given. Now when you write the formula, stock notation if I want to give, then it will be HAU Roman numeral 3 and Cl4, like this it is written, stock notation. Understood? So how to write stock notation, I think that topic is clear to you. So this was all about HAUCl4. Now the second example, what is given is TL. Okay, second example is Tl2O. Now Tl2O means thallium oxide. What it is? Thallium oxide. Clear? Now when we talk about this thallium oxide, okay, when we talk about this thallium oxide, here again we find for thallium, this metal, we will find here to be -2. So what we will do, that is 2x, and how why 2x are understood, because Tl is 2, what we say, Tl into x otherwise, plus -2 is equal to 0. So 2x minus 2 is equal to 0, 2x is equal to plus 2, x is equal to plus 2 by 2. Therefore, x will be equal to plus 1. Understood? So, if I want to write for thallium, if I want to write two things, that is, one is the name and like this. So, it will be thallium in Roman numeral 1 oxide, or you can write Tl2(1O) like this. Okay, so this is the stock notation what we say for thallium. For thallium, right here. Okay, same way for thallium, stock notation. You can write thallium(1) oxide or Tl(1O2) like this. Okay, same way for the third one, it is given there. Third example is of FeO. That is ferrous oxide, what we say, FeO. Ferrous oxide is the name. Okay, so for that stock notation also we will see. First we have to find the oxidation number of the metal. So here x I will take and here minus 2. So what it will be? X plus minus 2 is equal to 0, x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to plus 2. Understood? So what will be the name of this? Ferrous, in stock notation 2 oxide. Clear? Plus 2 means ferrous, remember this thing. Oxide and Fe2O like this. Okay? Now the fourth one is Fe2O3. So here x and here minus 2. So 2x plus 3 into minus 2 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to this minus 6 I will take directly plus 6. So x is equal to plus 3. Okay. So this is name is ferric. So if plus 3 valency is there, that is ferric. If plus 2 valency is there, it is ferrous. So for this, the stock notation can be written as Fe2 3O like this. Okay, and sorry. Okay, name I write here. Ferric 3 oxide. Understood this part? So like this you can give all the stock notation. This you can write down in your fair book. Same way you find out what you call it as for the remaining, that is Cu, copper is there, CuO is there, Mn is there, and MnO2 is there. Okay, this you can remaining you can find. The name of that I will give it to you. I will just rub this part. You can write down in your fair book. Okay, the remaining is CuI. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth one. Name I will give. So remaining you find it out. That will be homework. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. CuI is there. First one. Then CuO is there. So first is copper iodide. Name copper iodide. Clear? This is copper oxide. Okay, both will have different oxidation number. Remember this thing. Then manganese oxide. MnO is there. Okay, and MnO2 is there. Clear? So this is manganese oxide, and here 2 oxygen means manganese dioxide. Understood this part? So this was all about what you call it as stock notation. In the next video, that is video 10, we will be discussing about what we call it as finding out oxidation number. First find out oxidation number, then which element is oxidized, reduced, and oxidation agent, reducing agent will be the next video. Last time I said that it will be in this video, but this stock notation topic was left out. Okay, so next video will be continuing. Okay, thank you very much.